why watermelon is the best natural Viagra. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So why is watermelon the best natural Viagra? But what is a Viagra or a natural Viagra? A natural Viagra is a recipe that don't contain chemical. That is why it is called natural Viagra. But what is Viagra itself? A Viagra is a substance or a fluid, a recipe, or anything you take in order to correct erectile dysfunction. So anything you take in order to terminate erectile dysfunction or to have power to do your job as a man can serve as a Viagra. So in today's video, it is my pleasure to share with you why watermelon is the best natural Viagra. And with this, I will encourage you or advise you to consume watermelon. As far as you are a man, you want to last longer, you need a good blood flow, and you need a good immune system, consider taking watermelon in order to achieve all this. Now, why is it the best natural Viagra? It is the best natural Viagra because it contains the highest citrulline. This citrulline is very, very important to human body and especially to all men. This citrulline contains amino acid, and with this amino acid, it helps to generate or yield nitric oxide, and this nitric oxide helps the blood to relax in the blood vessel, and with this relaxation, it makes blood to flow through. That is, it makes blood to flow to all parts of your body system as a man. And you know that once there is a good blood flow and a good blood circulation to all parts of your body as a man, that is when you have the ability to maintain erection. That is when you have the opportunity to last longer as a man. So this is the major reason why watermelon is the best natural Viagra. And you know that watermelon contains water, a lot of water. That is why it contains lots of citrulline. Though carrots and other fruits contains water, but watermelon is the best because it contains the highest citrulline that every man need. With this citrulline, that is when you have the opportunity for your blood to flow through to all parts of your system, to all vessels, and to your joystick, and make it able to stand strong and to maintain erection as you expect. So I encourage you to start taking watermelon as much as you can. You can take it by chewing the ingredients or the content. You can also blend it, squeeze it to get the juice. Anyhow you want or anyhow you prefer taking watermelon, it is good. So that is it in today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments and questions as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.